Hello and happy Labor Day, my friends. Hope all you're doing well and staying safe and healthy. My name is Ellen. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my Southern Kitchen, the 396th episode and the first episode of Ellen's Fall Baking Series 2020 here on Ellen's Homemade Delights. Can you believe we're in the fall season? Love this time of the year. So to kick off my fall baking series, I'm going to share with all of you some pumpkin chocolate chip cookies. And my friends, these are the bomb.com. They're going to be so delicious, simple and easy to make, soft and chewy, and full of pumpkin spice. Everybody's going to fall in love with these cookies, and they're sure to make your mouth water. A great recipe to start the fall. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my pumpkin recipes playlist and my previous video, seafood rice with smoked sausage. I'll post a link to both of those down below in the description box. So grab your flour, your chocolate chips, your canned pumpkin, and your pumpkin spice sugar, because we're about to bake some pumpkin chocolate chip cookie magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, the first step we're going to do is make up the dry ingredients. In my sifter, I have 2 cups of self-rising flour. And into our flour, we're going to add in 1 teaspoon each of ground cinnamon and pumpkin pie spice. And this is my homemade pumpkin pie spice. I'll post a link to the recipe down below in the description box. I'm going to sift these together. Alright, so now we're going to set these aside while we work on the wet ingredients. In my large bowl, we're going to add in a 1/2 cup of canola oil, a 1/2 cup each of white and pat light brown sugar, 1 large egg at room temperature, and over here I have 1 teaspoon of evaporated milk with 1 teaspoon of baking soda that I dissolve, 1 cup of canned pumpkin puree, not the pumpkin pie mix, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and a 1/2 teaspoon of pure pumpkin spice extract. And we're going to mix all these ingredients together on medium speed until it's well combined. Alright my friends, now we're going to slowly add the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. Mix this in until it's well incorporated. Alright my friends, this is what our cookie dough looks like. Nice and thick. I love the smell of cinnamon and pumpkin pie spice. Smells like fall. Alright, there's one more ingredient we gotta add to the cookie dough. The chocolate chips. I'm using 1 10-ounce bag of dark chocolate chips, or you can use any chocolate chips that you prefer. And fold them in. Alright, and as soon as I get through folding in the chocolate chips, I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I'm through folding in the chocolate chips. Now we're ready to scoop them in the pan. I'm using a 9 by 13 inch long cookie sheet that I lined with parchment paper, or you can use aluminum foil, or you can grease it with baking spray. So I'm going to take my cookie scoop. Just going to scoop it right onto the pan. Just like that. Alright, as soon as I get through scooping my cookies, I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, now we're ready to put our cookies in the oven. We're going to put them in a preheated 350-degree oven, and we're going to let them bake for about 10 to 11 minutes. All right, my friends, I have taken my pumpkin chocolate chip cookies out of the oven. It smells amazing up in this kitchen. Nothing like the smell of freshly baked cookies. So now I'm going to let them cool on the wire rack for 2 minutes, and then I'll plate them up and I'll give them a taste. All right, my friends, there you have it. Pumpkin chocolate chip cookies. Don't they look delicious? Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that cookie. Look at the bottom, nice and golden brown. I can taste the pumpkin and the chocolate. These are so moist, it just melts in your mouth. Soft and squishy like a pillow. Look at the inside. If y'all love pumpkin and chocolate, y'all gonna love these cookies. These are succulent. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Pumpkin chocolate chip cookie-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Instagram or send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. I'll see you next time. Let's eat. Much love, happy fall, and have a wonderful and safe Labor Day.